paper. So this is question number 6. You can check our question paper. In this question, they have asked the specific metal cutting energy, and they have given 4 options. So let's see what is specific metal cutting energy. It's given by the formula Fc into Vc upon F into D into Vc, where Fc is called the cutting force, Vc is the cutting velocity, F is the speed, D is the depth of cut. So you can see Vc will get cancelled. So cancel it out. Now if you see the options, you will get to know that all the options are given in Fs, then phi, beta, alpha. So for that you need to draw the merchant diagram. From there you will get the relation. So let's see how to draw the merchant diagram. This angle is beta. This angle will be beta minus alpha. This angle will be phi. This force will be Fs. This will be perpendicular to Fs. That will be F into Ns. You can write. This will be Fc. This will be Ft. This will be F, this will be N, and this will be T resultant. Hope you can see. Now from this figure you can write Fc is equals to R into cos of beta minus alpha, and but you can also write Fs is equals to R cos of phi plus beta minus alpha. If you divide these two expressions, you will get Fc divided by Fs is equals to cos of beta minus alpha upon cos of phi plus beta minus alpha. You can see Fc is given in this expression. So try to substitute the value of Fc. So you can write Fc as Fs into cos of beta minus alpha upon cos of phi plus beta minus alpha. Now you need to substitute this value. One more thing, you can see here F and D is given, but if you see the options are not in the terms of F and D. So what you can do, you can use one relation. F is equals to E1 and D is equals to B. This is valid for orthogonal cutting. And one more thing, you have to remember one important formula that you can use several times in exams. A naught by As is equal to sin phi, where A naught is equal to B into T1. So you can see, or you can substitute, or be A naught is equals to AS into sin phi. Okay. Now, we know this V into T1 is F into T. Just replace it. This will be, substitute this value here. This will be Fs into cos of beta minus alpha into cos of phi plus beta minus alpha. Okay. Into F into D. F into D is B into T1, and B into T1 you can write as into sin phi. So instead of writing B into T1, this value, you can write this value. This will be As into sin phi. Now, if you see, we are getting this term Fs divided by As. This is actually the shear force. So change this Fs divided by As with tau s. So this will be tau s into cos of beta minus alpha into sin phi into cos of phi plus beta minus alpha. So this is the final expression for our required answer. So if you have any doubts regarding any part of this question, please mention us in the comment section. Thank you, friends.